Photochromic paints. Photochromic paints are paints that change colours on exposure to light. The paints contain photochromic pigments that absorb ultraviolet light from the sun or other ultraviolet light source. The absorbed energy is then emitted as visible light, either immediately, fluorescence, or over a period of time, phosphorescence. Applications of photochromic paints. Photochromic inks are used for security markings. What sort of items do you think security markings would be used on? On expensive equipment, such as cameras and electrical equipment, and also on banknotes. Photochromic sunglasses darken in sunlight. On leaving sunlight and entering a dark room, the sunglass lenses revert to their colourless state. Road warning signs, instrument panels for cars and aeroplanes also use photochromic pigments. At one time, the numbers and hands of watch and clock faces were painted with luminescent paint that glowed in the dark. These paints contained radium, a highly radioactive and dangerous material. Today, radioactive paints have been replaced by photochromic pigments. Why do you think this is? Photochromic paints will not cause cancer tumours, unlike radioactive materials.